Recently, there's been a discussion in an online community on whether or not I-DLE Minnie looks like BTS member V. A few days ago, Minnie's presence from the 2020 KBS Song Festival circulated the internet because fans were saying that she looked ethereal. Particularly in this photo, netizens were saying that she looked handsome and charismatic. People then started comparing her to V from BTS. Netizens all agree that the word handsome better suits the G-idol member more than pretty. But you have to say, she really is something else because she can